Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix keyboard not working issue in Windows 7, 8 and Windows 10. Click Start, Settings. Click Ease of Access. Click Keyboard. Make sure Use Filter Keys is on position. Uncheck Show the filter keys icon on the taskbar. Also uncheck Beep when keys are pressed on accepted. Second method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar. Click Device Manager. Right-click, click Update Driver. Click Browse My Computer. Click Let me pick from a list available driver on my computer. Select Standard PS2 keyboard. Click and restart your computer. Last and final method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar. Click Keyboards. Right-click Standard PS2 keyboard. Click Uninstall device and restart PC. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.